Welcome to Sharad B. More English School Online Lecture. Good morning, student. In previous lecture, I have explained the set, the definition of set, how to represent the set, and types of the set, and how to convert the sets given in rule method into the listing method, and listing method to rule methods. Today, I will explain how to solve the questions of the practice set 1.1. Now observe the question 1. Question 1 is write the following set in the roster form. In that first one, set of the even natural number. Second is the set of even prime number from 1 to 50 and set of negative integer and 7 basic sound of the sorghum. Okay, let's see how to represent the answers. Okay, see the first question, set of even natural numbers. Now answers. Here set name is not given, so you can write down any letter from A to Z. Suppose I have taken the letter A to represent the set of even natural number. So set A is equals to. Now put the curly bracket. In that curly bracket, we have to write down the even natural numbers. Okay, set of even natural number. Now see the natural numbers start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Okay, after 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 will come. So here write down these symbols. Now close the curly bracket. Now see the second one. Set of even prime number from 1 to 150. Set of even prime number. Okay, even prime number. Its answer. Now let name the set. Let it be set B. Okay, so set B. Now even prime number. So even prime number is only 2. So here 2 will come. Okay, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 13, 17, 19. But even only one number is even prime number, that is 2. So here 2 will come. Now next question, set of negative integers. Set of negative integer. Now suppose I have given the name of set as I and the set of negative integers. You know that negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Okay. Now fourth question. Okay, fourth question is 7 basic sound of the सरगम और सुर. ये 7 बेसिक साउंड देखना है. Okay, so 7 basic sounds are. Now suppose it is represented by S, Sa, Re, सा, रे, ग, मा, पा, ध, नी. So these seven are the basic sounds in the सुर. सुर में ये क्या है? सेवन बेसिक साउंड्स है. Okay, now curly bracket close. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following statement in the words. जो statements है that we have to write in the words. Now see the first one. First one, 4 upon 3 epsilon q. So its answer will be 4 upon 3 is 4 upon 3 is an element of element of 4 upon e is an element of. Now C represents the rational number, so 4 upon 3, and epsilon represents the n member of or that belongs to that member. So here 4 upon 3 is an element of R for rational number. Next one, next is -2. Now see epsilon is cancelled and capital N is written. So capital N represents the natural number and epsilon denotes that the given number is member of, उसका member है. So now -2 is not member of the n for natural number. So here we will write -2 is not element of, or you can write down is not member of, is not element of n for natural number. Okay, now third one. See the third question. Set p is set of all p such that p is an odd number, an odd number. Okay, this set we have to write in words. So what you will write? Set p is set of all p such that p is an odd number, odd number. Okay, full stop. Okay, now we have completed the two questions. Let's see the last questions. Okay, question number 3 is write any two sets by listing method and by rule methods. So here you have to take the two sets by your own and you have to write down in both methods, in listing as well as in rule method. Okay, now question number 4, write the following set using the listing method. Okay, under that see the first one, all months in Indian solar year. Next question is letters in the words complement, and third one is the set of the human sensory organ. Fourth one, set of the prime number from 1 to 20, and for last one, name of the continent of the world. Okay. And fifth question, write the following sets using the rule methods. In that there are the total 5 questions. First one is set of the set A4, A4, 9, 16. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, next question. Question number 3, write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Okay. Okay, now suppose I have written in listing method a set A is set of ruler, protractor, set square, divider, pencil, eraser. Okay student, you know that these are the elements of our geometry box. ये जो names mentioned है ये क्या है? Tools of geometry box. So in listing form, now in rule methods. Okay, this we have to write down in rule method. Okay, now write down as set A. Okay, here set name will not change. Okay, because yes, one set we are writing in two methods. So here set name will remain same. Now at place of these elements we have to write one variable. Suppose I have taken the one variable as x, and now we have to write down the characteristics of the that elements. So these are the elements which are given in set. These are the tools in geometry box. So here we have to write down the characteristic. So x is a tool of geometry box. Okay, now second example in listing method. First listing method, suppose it is set B and the numbers are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now see carefully, the numbers are positive, negative and 0. Okay, so here positive, negative and 0 are included. So this set of numbers is called as an integer. This is called as integer, and this is from -2 to 3. So here we will write in this rule methods, in rule methods. Okay, now again the set name will be same, set B is set of all x. At place of these numbers, we have to take the one variable. Here I have taken the x, such that x element of the integer. Here epsilon denotes what? The element of, and I represents the integers. Now see its limits. Okay, limits कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? It is in between -3 and between 4. -3 and between 4. Okay, so in this way you can write down -3 less than x and x is less than 4. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is write the following sets using the listing method. Write the following write the following sets using listing method. Okay, now first question, all months all months the in the Indian solar year. Means we have to write down the names of the months of English, Hindi calendars. Okay, now again you have to give the name to set. So I have given the name of set as A. So set A is equals to, now elements of this set A will be Chaitra, Vaisakh, Jyesth, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirsh, Paus, Magh and Falgun. Okay, so these are the months of the Hindi calendars. Now next question, letters in the word complements. Second word, letters in the word complement. Okay, now yes, give the name to the set. So here I have given name as set B. Now while writing the set, we have to write the one element only once in the listing method. So now see the letters in the complement word. So first letter is C, second letter is O, third letter is M, fourth letter is P, fifth letter is L, sixth letter is E. Now see, after E there is M. So M already we have written in the set. So this will not be repeated. After the M, E is there. A is already mentioned here. And N. N is not there. So we have to write down the N and T. Okay, now see the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember that yes, no any letter to be repeated. कोई भी लेटर रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. Now third question, third one, the set of the human sensory organ. Okay, set of the human sensory organ. Okay, now yes, name the set as C. Write down the five sensory organs in human being. So that five sensory organs are eyes, nose, tongue, skin, eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ears. Okay, so these five are the sensory organs in human being. Now, next one, set of prime number from 1 to 20. Fourth one, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, okay. Now, write down the answer. Suppose this is set D. Okay. Now, prime numbers from 1 to 20. So, first prime number is 2, next is 3, next is 5, next is 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So, these are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. Now, last questions. Name of the continents of the world. Okay, so here the general knowledge questions are given. Fifth one, names of the continents of the world. Okay. Now suppose this is set E. So set E is set of Asia, Africa, North America, South America, comma, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So these are the seven continents. Now close the curly bracket. Next question, write the following sets using the rule methods. Question number 5, write the following sets using rule methods. Okay, now see the first question. Question 1, set A is set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Now when you observe the numbers given in set A, you will find that these are the perfect squares of the natural number from 1 to 10, because square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16. Okay, now write down in the rule methods. So set A is, now for all the elements of set A, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, we have to take one variable. So here suppose I have taken the variable x. Now we are obtaining the x. We are obtaining the x by squaring the natural number. So in base, I am writing the n, and on that writing the power 2. So here in the base there is a natural number. So we have to write down n belongs to, means n epsilon capital N. N represent the natural number, and this n is present in the base. So here n is from 1 and ends with 10. So here we have to write down the its limits, n less than equals to 10. Okay, so here it is written as n less than equals to 10, because natural numbers start from 1, and here the squares of 1 to 10 is given. Now second question, set B is set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48. Okay, now see the list of the set B, in that the numbers are the multiple of the 6. Now answer set B is. Now for all these elements we have to write down the variable. Suppose I am writing the variable y. Now how are we getting these y? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48. So these are nothing but the multiples. So here we can write down y is equals to, y is equals to 6n. Okay, so 6 into n. So here we have to specify what is the n. So n is 1 to 8, because yes, when we write down the n is equals to 1, so 6 into 1 will give us the 6, 6 into 2 will give us the 12, 6 into 3 it will give the 18. Okay, so here n also belongs to natural number, and it is less than equals to 9. It is less than 9, because 6 8s are 48. So n value vary from 1 to 8. So here I have written n less than 9, or you can write down as n less than equals to 8. Okay, here you can write down n less than equals to 8 also. Now third question, third one, set C is set of letters S, M, I, L, E. Okay, now observe carefully. So in the set C, there are the letters of the S, M, I, L, E. So when you form the word, so you will get the smile word from these letters. So in set, in rule methods, we will write that set C is set of, now I have taken the P variables for the letters S, M, I, L, E. So set C is set of P such that P is a letter. P is a letter in the word smile. Okay, SMILE. Now fourth question. Set D is set of, set C is set of Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So these are the names of the days of a week. So we have to write down as, ये हट क्यों नहीं रहा, किसका है ये? ये एक मिनट इधर आइए। ये किसने डाला, ये हट नहीं रहा है। क्या? ये भी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है इसके साथ ही। पार्टिसिपेंट है कोई? पार्टिसिपेंट है। इधर है देखो। एक मिनट, आप अपने स्क्रीन पे जाइए। इसके साथ ये भी आ रहा है। नहीं अच्छा नहीं। ठीक है, इसको बोलो इसका माइक अनम्यूट करने के लिए, आपको बोलो अपना माइक अनम्यूट करने के लिए, तो नेट चलेगा अपने आप। क्या बोले? बोलो उसका माइक म्यूट करने के लिए। आलिया अनवर शेख। ओके, आपका जो है माइक अनम्यूट करो आप। आलिया अनवर अनम्यूट, तो मैंने सबको म्यूट करके रखा है। Okay, next question. Question number 5. Okay, now yes, complete the question number 4 first. So, at place of these days, we will take the variable y. The variable y, and variable y is a day of the week. Okay, days of a week. Now fifth question. Fifth question. Set X is set of A, E, T. Okay. Set X is set of A, E, T. Now see, using the letter A, E, T, we can make the word T. Okay, or we can make the word eat. So here we will write that set x is, now in place of this we have to use one variable. Suppose this is the variable z. So set x is set of all z such that such is z is a letter in the word, in the words t or eat. So eat or tea. Okay, student, understood? Now yes, unmute yourself, and if you have any doubt, ask to me now. Yes, tell me. What? Question number two. Question number two. Okay. Let me see what is that question. Question number two. Main question two, and it's third one. Okay. Question number two, and it's third one. Set P is set of P such that P is an odd number. So here in question number three, we have to write down in words. Words में mention करना, okay? What is given? Set P is set of all P such that P is an odd number. So this set we have to write in the words. Okay, so set P is set of all P such that P is an odd number. Understood now? Yes, welcome.